Hey there, user testing community. It's Mike McDowell from the solution consulting team at User Testing, back with another tip of the week. So I see a lot of my customers are out there using a lot of live conversations, but I don't see a lot of highlight reels being generated from these live conversations. And I think that's because it's really timely to go back through the videos of a live conversation when you've already sat through them once. Well, a really good tip is when you enter the live conversation with your contributor, select the option that allows you to take notes. So as you're going through the live conversation, if there's some scripted activities or different tasks that you're going to follow along as your contributor is taking part in or completing, just make a little note that this is where task 3 starts. This is where task 4 starts, in addition to the notes about perceptions, responses, and things like that. Then when you go back and go through your transcript and your video, you can look at your notes and clips, and it'll show you where you marked off those little things that were happening, which makes it a lot easier to go back into the video, find that spot, highlight the copy from the transcript, and then make a clip from it. Then you can obviously, again, share that clip or make it into a highlight reel. People will say that I took the notes and I made a report that's based on my notes. Your notes will never be as effective as someone watching your customer actually say the thing that you wrote down in your notes. It's always going to be better. So hopefully, if you follow along with the customer and you go through and you take the note that says where the particular activity was, you'll be able to go through your videos far faster than you can today and start making those highlight reels and making those clips that are gonna get you the decisions that you want to be made based on your research. So that's it for this week. Hopefully that was really helpful and speeds up your processing of your live conversations. And be sure to check back next week for another